Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. I have 3 super easy little DIYs. Most of them came from the Dollar Tree. There's only one thing that I picked up from my thrift store. Look at this cute little decanter. Can you believe that? This was at the at my thrift store, and it was only $1.57. I know you can't see it because I can barely read it. So I'll show you. There's just a few little things I want to do to it. But I'm gonna make a candy dish and a little flower arrangement and that. So stay tuned, okay? Let's get busy. So for the first one, I picked up this from Dollar Tree and this. Put it up on top, and then I'm gonna fill it with candy. So for the inside, I am, well, going to try to open up my Dollar Tree Mod Podge. I don't know if you guys watch Destination Stunning, but she does a lot of these. She just stacks, I don't know how she does it, but she like stacks all kinds of glassware on top of each other, and I'm just so amazed by it, and it always turns out so beautiful. I like how she arranges everything. So she was my inspiration for this. So I'm just going to put my Mod Podge, and I have a little tray here. I also got that from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take my little paintbrush here and just kind of go around it. See? It's all coated. So I picked up this package of glitter, and I am going to use the pink one because we're coming up on Valentine's Day. I was thinking about using the pink and the silver together, but I think I'm going to keep it just pink. And just sprinkle that right on the inside there. And then just, look how pretty! And then just wait for that to dry. I'll get started on the second one while that's drying. And while that's doing its thing, let's move on to the next one. So I picked these little butterflies up from Dollar Tree, and they're pretty like they are already, but see, the inside of them is just kind of clear, so I thought I would just kind of bling it out a little bit. So I picked these up. I use them for everything. So I'm just gonna cut these right down because they're like tapey, so you can just cut them right down and stick those right in the center where the butterfly is. See? Isn't that cute? Just kind of adds a little touch to it. And then cut it off. And there we go. There's one. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this little thing off, and I'll show you how I put it together. Okay. Now that we have our butterfly all blinged out, isn't it cute? It's so pretty. I just picked up this little, I already went ahead and filled it with the little glass gems that you get from Dollar Tree, and just put it in a little thing. A little vase. I should probably cut that down, huh? Look how pretty that is. Just in time for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then the decanter, basically gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take those blingy stickers, and then start wrapping it around the top of it. I thought this was just so pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Just as is, actually. But you know me. We gotta go a little bit over the top, right? And this stuff sticks to glass so well. Okay, there it is so far. I'm just going to run a little bit more around the bottom here. Isn't that pretty? Look how much better that looks. There we go. Gorgeous. I love it. I think I am going to take it just a little step further and put a heart on it. There, that looks like a heart, right? So cute. And then as soon as these are dry, we will go ahead and finish them up. Okay, well, that's how it turned out. That looks like heart, right? Valentine's-y. I think it's cute. I think it turned out cute. So, now that the glue is dried in our, I kept calling it pink. I thought it was pink, but it's not. It's purple. So now that that is all dry, I'm going to take my E6000 and just run around the rim. And put our candy bowl on top of it. And do the same to the other one. And do the same. So now we have to weigh that down and let it sit there for a while until it's nice and dry. So I am going to try and find something to weigh those down. Give me just a moment. Alrighty guys, here's everything that we worked on. I hope you were able to pick up on some good ideas. Really like how that decanter turned out. I think that is so cute. It has such a neat shape too. It's just cute. The little butterflies all blinged out. They look so much better. Before there was just plastic in there. And I like that idea too for the little candy dishes. I need to get some more candy. I guess I dug into them a little bit too much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And leave me a little comment below and let me know what you think or which idea you like the best. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.